So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add a website shortcut to home screen on your iPhone. So first of all, you will need to open Safari, which will be your default browser app. So it will look like a compass. On here, let's just type in some website. So I've opened Google. As you can see, there are some results for Google on there. So on here, I just need to click on the website. And on there, I will see the option cut, copy, autofill, and share. I need to click on share. Through here, you can see some of the options like messages, reminders, airdrop, copy, and so on. But if I were to scroll pretty much to the bottom, I can find add to home screen and I click on that. And you can see now the options of either typing it out as Google, which is the suggested form, or I can add something to it so to make it more personalized so I can identify it more easily, and then click on add. On here you can see now this G for Google has been added. Now it takes on the appearance of an app, but it's actually a link. So let's just click on that. And you can see it immediately takes me to the Safari search that I've added. So this website I've added, it immediately opens up. So for something that you find that you most often open up and there isn't an app for that, you can just copy it to your home screen and use it as an app. So click on that and you're immediately there. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video, you can also share the video, you can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on iPhone or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.